Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. This is Movember. I decided that I would do this fundraiser for Movember. And let's go ahead and hit the road and see how long this mustache lasts. I wasn't really planning on doing this, but YouTube has this charity feature where you can raise money for something, and I thought motovlogging for Movember seems to make an awful lot of sense. So if you look down below, you'll see where you can donate to Movember. Now Movember is it's a charity, and it's all about men's mental health. The goal here is that I'm going to be doing a motovlog every day for the month of November. I have no idea how I'm going to obtain that, but I'm going to try. Now, there may be a few days where I can't be out on the bike for whatever reason, and those days I will be sure to do a live stream. I have never done one of these, do a video every day for a month types of things, but for this I thought that it was definitely worth making this my first attempt at doing so. It is a huge time commitment, obviously, so if I can speed up some time in post-production, I will do that. Now, the cool thing about these charities and these fundraisers for YouTube is that other creators can also jump on and basically share the same fundraisers. So it will be nice to see maybe some other creators jump on motovlogging for Movember as well. Whether you do the mustache thing or not, I think raising funds for men's health is a good, noble cause, especially in the world that we have today. It's been a really rough year. I am absolutely certain that mental health in general is going to be a big thing going forward. I think a lot of people took it really on the chin this year. And to you guys, anybody out there that's suffering, I'm sorry for those downfalls. I've certainly had a lot of downfalls in my life, and the one thing I will say is that coming back from those types of moments are really defining moments in your life. You can't appreciate the good times without ever going through the bad times. With a lot of this stuff that was going on with $1 Million Bogan over the last few weeks with Harley Davidson, and there's been a lot of talk about how the content that he creates and the message that he sends relative to men's mental health is incredibly valuable, and I would agree with that. So my goal here is just to do the best I can at trying to do that, raise funds for a good cause through the month of November. It's nice just to kind of get out here and try to do something for a good cause. If my subscribers can throw $5 at Movember, that would be pretty awesome. It would just be kind of cool to see the motovlogging community come together. So this is not anything that I make any kind of money on. YouTube takes care of the fees on their end, so this is certainly not a for-profit thing for me at all, and it's something that I think could kind of a cool test. So that is my goal. Come out here for November, a video a day, and make it as entertaining as I possibly can. The way this whole thing kind of started for me was my truck got crashed up. My last video, I kind of shared that, and to all those people out there saying that I was just pipe dreaming about getting a new vehicle and having mine be totaled from that damage, you're absolutely right. I actually, in that video, edited that part out. I kind of referenced that. I didn't realize that kind of got lost in translation in the edit. Sometimes it happens, but yeah, so now I basically have to ride my bike every day until that truck is done, which is looking to be into the better part of next week. So I figured, that being the case, not that having to ride the bike every day is a negative by no means. As a matter of fact, it's pretty awesome. But if I can also kind of turn this into a make a video every day, raise a little bit of money for charity, and have some fun with it, then so be it. And hey, look at that, my mustache is it's staying on. We'll see how well that holds up, but man, it's already looking kind of worse for the wear, but it looked worse for the wear right out of the bag. So if you guys want to join along as a motovlogger or just as a consumer of the content, have a little fun here through the month of November. Give me some content ideas in the comments down below. Share this with other motovloggers. You know, maybe we can, as a community, do something awesome, or you know, maybe nobody else jumps on and it's just me raising whatever money I can. Either way, it's worth it, and it should be a pretty cool thing to do. Oh shit. This exit is always a fucking nightmare because people can't drive. Made the butthole pucker a little bit. Let's not turn this into a fundraiser for my medical bills. I will be trying to do the best I can to, you know, bring up some interesting topics. We'll have some discussions. Leave in the comments down below if you have any ideas, anything you would like me to talk about, and you know, I'll have certainly plenty of content to do it. Like I said, I will throw in some live streams as well for a few of these videos as a way to kind of communicate, talk about it. We'll see how this whole thing does. It'd be kind of cool to create maybe an annual fundraising kind of thing on the channel, and you know, maybe within the community as well. Again, this is just my attempt at doing something to give back. You know, what's tough with this YouTube channel, I think a lot of viewers, including myself, when you watch content, it's very easy to sort of forget that the people that are creating the content also have very busy lives on top of what they're doing. It is something that is, you know, again, it's easy to overlook. So for me to make this commitment to put a video out every day for the month is something that's going to be pretty difficult. I will try to streamline my process as much as possible so that I'm not sitting and editing videos for 3-4 hours at a time, which is normal. I would like to not have to do that, but I'd like to give a little bit more time into the editing process. So this is going to be a little tough on me to have to kind of give up some of the editorial a little bit for the sake of getting videos out, but I will do it. It's going to be difficult. So again, donate what you can down below. Movember, I'll also link in the description down below to what the whole thing is all about. If you guys want to put together your own videos and kind of share the message, I think that would be kind of cool. Again, I'm just trying to do what I can to give back with this platform in the way that I can. You know, with motorcycles, there's all these rallies all the time, and teddy bear runs, and I think I'm going to do that shortly. There's one coming up here that I would like to do, but there's a lot of these things that just take time to do, and a lot of times I just don't have that kind of commitment to provide. There's a lot of subscribers that reach out to me to go for rides and things like that, and man, it's just, life is really busy. Just getting these videos out is time commitment in and of itself. This, in my opinion, is a way for me to be able to create content and also raise money for a good cause. So with Danny and $1 Million Bogan, it just seemed like an opportune thing to do with men's health based on the year that we have had, and you know, the recent $1 Million Bogan thing that garnered an awful lot of support from the community. So again, Movember, you can see it down below, or if you're on your computer, it'll be on this side. You can check it out and throw a little donation towards Movember. So with that being said, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. This is where I normally say I'll see you next time, but I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll be doing a video again every day. So change my sign off a little bit. So again, if this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow.